Show you how to buy land on earth2. It's very easy and simple. So first type earth2, click here, and then click buy land or marketplace if you want to buy second-hand land, which means someone already bought it. So buy land if you want to buy from earth. So I'm just going to click buy land, and then I'll go. These are the land already people bought it, as you can see on the flag top. So I'll search Scotland or Glasgow. Yeah, Glasgow, Scotland. So let me find it. These are the empty land you can see on here. So these are the people bought it. See, Russian bought here, an Italian bought some of them. UK people bought here, US people bought here. So I'm just gonna buy somewhere between. This one look like the town center, so I'm just gonna buy nearby this one. Okay. This land, how much it says? 18 pounds. Okay, 36 pounds. Okay, let me just go to details and see how much is altogether. So Glasgow is 36 pounds US dollar altogether. Okay, and click buy now. So okay, buy now. So I have a promotion code which I'll use. Yeah, applied. Promotion is invalid, expired already been used. Okay. So I'm just gonna pay by PayPal. Yeah, okay, see, here's the screen. I bought this land. Okay, and it says your ID and the land class 3, title 4, Glasgow City, United Kingdom, 36 pounds purchase, not for sale. Okay, yeah, all done, guys. This is the short and quick video. If you like this video, please guys don't forget to subscribe me. Okay.